Many visitors to Ljubljana will go up to the top of Castle Hill or stroll along the Ljubljana River, stopping at one of the many cafes or restaurants for a drink or a bite to eat, and then leave thinking they've seen the whole city. Well, hold on. I'm going to tell you about some hidden gems that most visitors to Ljubljana completely miss. The National Museum of Slovenia is a splendid neo-Renaissance building, only a short walk from the Old Town. Its interior dates back to the time of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, but the exhibits are a walk through all of Slovene history, including the Roman Empire town of Emona. The Situla vase from the 5th century BC, decorated with the iconic figures that appear today on the Slovenian passport. And the world's oldest musical instrument, a Neanderthal flute carved from a bear's thigh bone 60,000 years ago. Another astonishing artifact is the world's oldest surviving wheel in the City Museum across town, believed to be more than 5,000 years old. Ljubljana has so many wonderful museums you'd need more than a few days to visit them all. One example, the Ethnographic Museum, or SEM, displays charming folk traditions like the kurenti and furniture by master architect Plečnik. At the National Gallery, admire art from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. Discover the impressionists like Ivana Kobilca, the remarkable woman behind some of Slovenia's most famous paintings, like The Coffee Drinker. And if you time it right, you might be able to visit these places for free. All of the state-run museums in Slovenia are free of charge on the first Sunday of every month. And they don't publicize this very much, so it's likely that you could have an entire museum almost to yourself. Visiting a museum is always a great idea, especially on days when it's too hot or too cold or too rainy and you don't want to be outside. The perfect start, end, or break in a day of culture is the Nebotičnik skyscraper on the main street, Slovenska Cesta. It was the tallest building in the Balkans when it was built in 1933. Admire the Art Deco spiral staircase before you take the vintage elevator to the top for a drink with the best view of Ljubljana's Old Town and Castle Hill. And here's a bonus tip. One of my favorite evening activities is to check out what's on at the Opera House, another Austrian Empire gem. See world-class ballet and opera for a fraction of what tickets would cost in any other European capital. For more tips on how to spend your time in Ljubljana, visit my blog, strangersinthelivingroom.com, and please subscribe to the Terry Anzur YouTube channel for more fun videos from Slovenia and the world. Don't be a stranger.